Learn about animals, rhyming words. I am a descendant of the mallard. My white crest is different. Have you heard? Rhyming words are mallard, herd. Feathers grow out of the back of my head. You are so cute, a young child said. Rhyming words are head, said.
I'm a cute little puppy. Oh, so sweet. Trying to catch my tail is such a treat.
Rhyming words are sweet, treat.
What a nice bright light. I like to bark. I hope it's all right.
Rhyming words are light, all right.
I need a nap after playing. Chasing my tail is really draining.
Rhyming words are playing, draining. I am called a zorse. I'm half zebra and half horse. Rhyming words are zorse, horse. A zebra is one parent and a horse is the other parent. Just by looking at me, it is apparent. Rhyming words are parent, apparent. I don't like that sound. A trash truck down the street I have found. Rhyming words are sound, found. Where did the trash truck go? I want to know. Rhyming words are go, know. Sheep are sheared for their wool. You can learn about wool at school. Rhyming words are wool, school. Wool can be used to make a sweater. A sweater keeps you warm in cold weather. Rhyming words are sweater, weather. A pig can get stinky and dirty. This dirty pig does not look pretty. Rhyming words are dirty, pretty. After laying an egg, a hen will cluck loudly. Then the hen will walk around proudly. Rhyming words are loudly, proudly. A mother pig can't accidentally squish a baby. She needs a lot of space to roll carefully. Rhyming words are baby, carefully. I am a male duck. He watches over me for good luck. Rhyming words are duck, luck. Boys and girls, I want you to say the colored rhyming word pairs with me. And after each pair, we are going to clap and cheer the words rhyming words. Here we go. Head, said, rhyming words. Sweet, treat, rhyming words. Light, all right, rhyming words. Playing, draining, rhyming words. Parent, apparent, rhyming words. Oh, no, rhyming words. Wool, school, rhyming words. Sweater, weather, rhyming words. Dirty, pretty, rhyming words. Loudly, proudly, rhyming words. Baby, carefully, rhyming words. Duck, luck, rhyming words. Great job, boys and girls. Great job.